Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my wine bar area for Halloween, and I am so excited. You have no idea. I love Halloween. Right now on TV, I'm watching 80s and 70s Halloween commercials. They have it on YouTube if you're interested. I really like watching it. I could watch that over and over. It plays a ton of Halloween commercials, and it gets me in the spirit, and it just takes me back to, you know, back in the day when I was like one. So anyways, let's go ahead and let's start decorating for Halloween. If you know or you don't know, I decorate with there's a fly in here, and I'm gonna kill it right now with my potions and my spells and all this stuff. I'm about to put it in my cauldron. So anyways, I decorate in a witch theme slash skull theme. So if you're new here, or if you want to get acquainted with my old decor, I will go ahead and link them up above and down below for you to go ahead and take a look at. So let's go ahead and let's start decorating. All right, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to be dismantling my bar area. There, I said cheers. So I'm going to take everything off, and I'm going to give everything a good wipe down. I like to clean everything. I like to wash my glasses, my decanter, you know. I did go ahead and clean my mirrored tray, even though I'm putting this creepy Spanish moss on it. I love Spanish moss. I get all my Spanish moss from Dollar Tree. It's only $1 and you do get a good amount. Here I found a creepy little friend hanging around from last year. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add all of my wine glasses, my decanter, my stand. I'm going to add everything back because I do like to turn my house into her house. When I say her, I mean the witch's house. So I turn it into her house. I like everything to be spooky. I want her to feel like she can bust a spell wherever she's at, whether she's pouring a drink while she's sitting at her kitchen table, or she's, sitting in her living room. This is her house, and we're gonna make it nice and comfortable for her. So that's what I'm doing here. Here I have in my cake stand that I'm going to be putting a creepy moss on, and I'm going to be decorating it with a bunch of goodies. Here I'm adding this stand here that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I did find some stands at Dollar Tree that needed to be spray painted black, so that's what I did. Here I'm going to add on top of this stand this creepy little doll head here. I did pick this doll head up at Michael's last year. Here I'll be adding this bowl of goodies that she may need to concoct a spell or a potion. So you have your creepy little finger and a creepy ear. I think I picked those up at Walmart last year. I'm not sure. Here I have this potion bottle that says a bone powder. So I did add some regular flour in there. Doesn't it look like bone powder though? It's so creepy. I love it. I picked those up at Target Dollar Spot last year. And then here I have this feather of a raven, and I found a feather that I had in my craft section, and I just stuck it in there, and I think it looks so cool and it adds to the effect. This is where, she can make a potion, like I said, anywhere in her house. It's hers. She's ready to go wherever she's at. Tell me that this bar area isn't so spooky. I absolutely am obsessed with it. I love this Halloween witchy decor that I'm going with. I do have a surprise for you guys here in my living room, so you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you get subscribed, hang out with your girl, hit the notification bell, and don't get lost in the woods because I will find you and I will get you, my little pretty. I really be doing the most. But anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel and it does mean the world to me. It also keeps me motivated and it makes me want to upload more content when I know that you're enjoying it. So if you could, please give your girl a big thumbs up. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.